Creating and managing Trello lists. Where are we lost? Okay, so what are Trello lists? To define, Trello lists are vertical columns on your board used to organize tasks or workflows. Think of them as stages or categories that help you track the progress of your project. And lists are incredibly versatile and can be customized to fit any project. Examples stages of a workflow could be to do, in progress, or completed. It could be categories, ideas, tasks, milestones. It could be a chronological progression week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, and so on. So the lists could be anything. So, why are lists important? Well, teams using categorized lists report a 20% increase in task completion rates as per the recent productivity study. Why and how? Clarity lists categorize tasks, making your board easier to navigate. Lists show the current status of tasks, giving you a quick overview of your project's progress. Tasks and manage workflows better. And that all of this makes the lists really important. So how to create list? Very easy to do. I'll jump onto my Trello board, and that's my board, and the WIP board basically, and this is the list. Here is how you can add another list, and A. So just let's name it A, and B, and C. So that's how you create a list. Nothing very difficult. And you can easily move this list around from here to here, from to the beginning. Let's say you want to bring this A to the beginning and B at the end, and so on. So you can easily manage this. You can create as many lists as you need to suit your project structure. Next is to structure lists for your workflow. Now, it could be stages of the process like to do, in progress, and done. It could be categories, priority tasks, optional tasks, and backlog, or it could be a chronology of month 1, month 2, month 3, or a week 1, week 2, or a day 1, day 2, day 3, and so on. A well structured set of lists ensures tasks flow logically throughout your board. Next is to how to manage your list. Well, you can reorder the list, you can rename the list, and you can archive the list. So we just saw how to reorder the list by dragging and dropping. You can rename the list by simply clicking on the list, and you can rename it, and you can send it to archive by clicking on archive this list. So let's say you do not want a list anymore, you can simply click on this and archive the list. Done. That's all. You can also enhance lists with power ups like calendar power up, custom fields power up, and time tracking power up. Calendar power up, it visualizes tasks with due dates in a calendar format. Custom fields power up adds fields like priority or budget to categorize tasks further. And time tracking power up monitor how much time is spent on tasks in each list. And these tools make your list more informative and actionable. We'll learn this particular part in more details in the next couple of sections, but for now this is what to understand the capabilities of a list. Some of the tips for effective list management: first, keep lists short and focused to avoid clutter. Use a consistent naming structure, use consistent naming conventions to maintain clarity. Keep reviewing the list, update the list to ensure they reflect your current workflow, and leverage automation rules with Butler to manage lists effectively, like archiving cards in done after 7 days. Good list management is key to maintaining a productive board. Some real life examples: sales pipeline lists like leads in negotiation and close deals help track customers' journey. Content calendar, use lists like ideas, drafting, editing, and publish to manage content creation. Then you have event planning lists like pre-event task, day of task, and post-event wrap-up ensures every detail is covered. And here we are at the end. Some key takeaways. Lists are the backbone, structures for workflow, stages, categories, timeline. You need to manage them effectively via reordering them, renaming them, and archiving them. and you can enhance the lists with power ups and automations for actionable items. Mastering lists ensures your Trello board remains clear, efficient, and productive. That's all. We hope this presentation has given you valuable insights into creating and managing Trello lists effectively. Remember, well organized lists are the key to a productive and efficient Trello board. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your productivity. So, should you have any further questions, feel free to ask me in the Q&A section. The community is on LinkedIn, Facebook, and school, and I would be happy to help. Until then, have a great and wonderful day. Bye bye.